Hello, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, continuing our playlist on important regular expression functions in NLP. In our previous playlist, we have discussed about some of the other important regular expression functions, such as subfunction, and we have also discussed about the match function. Okay, so today in this particular video we are going to discuss about the find iterator function. Okay, so this is one of the most important regular expressions in NLP. Okay, so before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get into this. So here what I will do is I will just try to mention comments find iterator function. Okay, so find iterator function is basically used to fetch the number of occurrences of a particular word in a given sentence or text. Okay, so what I will do is I will just take an example. Here we'll try to write some sentence. Okay, so what I will try to write is India is one of the largest country in the world. Okay, I think India is seventh largest country. I'm not sure, but I'm sure that India is one of the largest country. I think it's one among the top 10 largest countries in the world. Okay, so and here I will try to continue the sentence. India has highest population. India is also famous for its culture, and Bangalore is the Silicon Valley of India. Okay, see here you can see India is one of the largest country. Here you can see the occurrences of India is quite a number of times in this particular text or a sentence. Okay, so find iterator function is basically used to fetch the occurrences of the particular word. Suppose if I want to fetch the number of occurrences of India in this particular text or a sentence, so we can do it by using find iterator function. Okay, so we'll see how exactly we'll use find iterator function so that we can fetch the occurrences of India in this particular text. Okay, so what I will do is first I will try to write some text. So what we'll do is we'll just try to copy this same text so that we can use it as an example, and I will try to run this particular cell. So now I will try to write the pattern is equal to, so which one I want to find? So I just want to find the number of occurrences or the occurrences of the word India in this particular text. Okay, so now we'll see how to use the find iterator function to find the occurrences of India in this particular text. Okay, for matching regular expression find iterator, and here I will try to write pattern comma text, and here we'll write print start match dot start. Here I will write end is equal to, here I will write print of end comma match dot end. Now we'll try to run this particular cell. So now you can see the occurrences of India in this particular text. It will start at 0 and it will end at 5, and again it will start at the position 50 and it will end at 55. So here you can see the position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so in the same way it is present between 50 to 55, 80 to 85, 153 to 158. Okay, and suppose if you want to change the text, you can do that, and if you want to change the pattern, you can also do that. So this is how you use the find iterator function to find the number of occurrences or the occurrences of the particular pattern in a given text. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.